So now we have enough stuff to make a bouquet. We have a rose, and we have a rose going the other direction, and we have a nice little rose to go with that, like triplets. Then we have a rose bud and another rose bud and another rose bud. Then we have leaf, leaf, and leaf, and our whip. So it looks kind of crappy right now, but let's see if we can make something fun out of this. It's like flower arranging, sort of. Just kind of fiddle things together until they look good. Let's see, this guy can fit in here. Maybe we can get this wee rosebud to fill in that little spot. A lot of fiddling until you get everybody situated the way you want them. And then you iron it all down with a big, mean, metal, ugly staple. That's okay. We're going to cover it up with more palms. This guy is so totally not attached yet. Keep an eye on that. Cool. Let's see. I think the big leaf up in the back. He's kind of wanting to go that way. I don't know. That's looking a little weird. Let's see. I'd kind of like this guy to go straight up and not like this. So you can cheat a little bit. Give a little bend. Give a little metal. Haha. There. And this one will go like that. This one will pop over this way. Yeah. I think I like them on this side. Right now they're kind of flexible. Once they dry in a couple days, they're gonna be that way forever. Well, that one totally missed. There we go. This one's feeling so insecure. There we go. Okay, and then the whip. Wish there was a way to do this without staples because it just feels so not cool, but such is life. This guy looks best up here, perhaps. Yes, so now let's deal with this messiness here. Here's a single palm, kind of a fairly heavyweight one. We're going to take off the stiff edges of this because we want this to fold around really supplely. And we're going to cut off this woody part down here where it attaches to the palm bud, as that will be unhelpful for this. Trying to make it look pretty, not icky. So start like so. Fold this guy to the right, and then we're just going to basically wrap this up as if it was like a ribbon on a wedding bouquet, something like that. That's probably far enough. Bring this to the back, and then again tear off the, I can't push this through anything, shreddy junk, and find some place where this will slide in. See if we can force it to belt loop around something to make it stay without a staple. It's very tight, which is what you want. There she is. Maybe we can get it to go through here. Come on. Yes. And then I forgot to bring my pruning shears in. Sometimes that works with kindness. And there we have it.